Hello and welcome to Lecture 3 about intergroup contact theory. In this lecture, we will focus on one of the most influential and well-established strategies for improving intergroup relations, namely intergroup contact theory. Let's begin with a simple but fundamental question. What is intergroup contact? Intergroup contact refers to interaction between people who belong to different social groups. These groups can be defined in many ways, for example, by nationality, ethnicity, religion, social background. Anytime people from different social groups meet, talk, work together, or build relationships, intergroup contact is taking place. It is based on the idea that when people from different groups meet, cooperate, and get to know each other, they challenge the respective stereotypes and prejudice. These experiences, if positive, can lead to more trust, empathy, and less anxiety toward people from other groups. For example, a friendship between a local and international student can make both feel more connected and less biased toward the other. However, contact does not automatically lead to positive outcomes. Gordon Allport, the father of contact hypothesis, proposed that contact is most effective when certain conditions are present. According to Allport, there are four optimal conditions that make intergroup contact particularly effective. It is important to note that later research has shown that these conditions are helpful but not always strictly necessary. Even when not all conditions are met, contact can still reduce prejudice, although the effects tend to be stronger when these conditions are in place. The first condition is equal status. This means that people involved in the contact situation should feel they are on the same level. No one should be seen as superior or inferior. For example, students from different backgrounds should work together as teammates rather than in a hierarchical role. The second condition is common goals. Group members should share a goal that they want to achieve together, such as completing a group project, solving a problem, or organizing an event. Having a shared objective encourages people to see each other as partners rather than competitors. The third condition is cooperation. The task should require collaboration rather than competition. So, working with others instead of against them promotes a more positive interaction and helps build mutual trust. The fourth condition is institutional support. So, the broader social context is important. School, universities, and other institutions should clearly support inclusion and diversity. Rules, norms, leaders play a key role. People need to feel that positive intergroup relations are encouraged and valued by the institution. Extensive research has shown that positive contact can produce multiple benefits, such as reduce prejudice and stereotyping, reduce perceived threat and intergroup anxiety, and can also generalize beyond the contact group. Evidence from real-life settings show also that the contact principle can be applied to different contexts. In school, for example, intergroup contact in cooperative learning programs reduce prejudice between ethnic groups and between children with and without disabilities. In the workplace, teams with diverse members tend to trust each other more when they cooperate toward common goals. Living in diverse but friendly neighbors can reduce stereotype and strengthen social cohesion. So far, we have focused mainly on positive contact. However, it is important to recognize that not all contact experiences are positive. Intergroup contact can also be negative. Positive contact reduce prejudice and improve intergroup relations. Negative contact, for example, conflict, discrimination, hostility, can increase prejudice or fear, and its effects can be stronger because humans tend to remember negative experiences more vividly than positive ones. This means that simply increasing the amount of contact between groups is not enough. The quality of interaction is just as important as the quantity. Promoting contact that is respectful, cooperative, and supportive is therefore crucial if the goal is to improve intergroup relations.